Imagine for a moment a life filled with joy. Not just fleeting moments of pleasure, but a deep, enduring sense of contentment. Welcome to the pursuit of true happiness. True happiness isn't found in material possessions, nor is it guaranteed by success or accolades. It's not even about being in a constant state of ecstasy. True happiness at its core is about peace of mind. It's about finding satisfaction in the simple things. A warm smile from a stranger, a good book on a rainy day, the thrill of a new challenge, the satisfaction of a job well done. True happiness is about cherishing the relationships in our lives. It's about being present, being grateful, being kind. It's about accepting ourselves, flaws and all, and learning to laugh at our mistakes. And most importantly, true happiness is a journey, not a destination. It's about striving for growth and improvement, not perfection. It's about embracing the ups and downs of life, knowing that every experience is a chance to learn and grow. So, as you navigate the winding road of life, remember, true happiness isn't about having it all. It's about appreciating what you have, while still striving for what you want. Life is short. Make sure you spend it happy.